Hello. We are going to continue our installation of the Clover Flex POS system. After the system starts up, it will ask you which language you would like the device to display. For this demo, we will choose English. The next screen will prompt you to connect to a network. Select the wireless network you would like to use and enter your password. Once it connects, click Done. The Flex will now download the latest update. The system will restart automatically once the update is complete. After restarting, the device will ask you for your activation code. You can get your code from the email sent to you by Clover, or you can call us at our support line for help with the activation process. After entering the activation code, your Flex will begin installing the standard applications needed to operate the device. Once installation is complete, the system will prompt you to load receipt paper into the printer. Since we installed the paper during the unboxing process, we can now do a test print to make sure the printer is operating correctly. We will now show the first-time setup for new users. In this example, we will be using a Clover Mini, but the operations are the same. If this is your first Clover device, the system will now ask you to set a passcode. You can choose either a 4-digit or a 6-digit passcode based on how your account is configured. After entering your passcode, the system will ask if you would like to use the same passcode for all devices. By default, this is set to yes, but you can change this later in your account settings. On the same screen, you will be asked whether you want to collect tips and signatures on screen or on the printed receipt. For now, we will leave the setting on the default option, which is tips on screen. The next screen will ask if you would like to enable SIM card service. Select No to avoid additional charges. You will then be shown the available pricing plans. On the next screen, you will be asked to review and verify Clover's terms of service and privacy policies. You can review these documents on Clover's website. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Click the small checkbox to agree. Now the Flex will display a confirmation message stating that you are all set. Click Get Started at the bottom of the screen. You are now ready to begin using your new Clover Flex.